I try.
You do your thing.
I try.
Okay. Can I hear more noise for that song? Save it. Big song for her. Tula is the next journey. Let's talk about Tembisile Ntaga production. You're getting brave there, aren't you?
Ooh, I had to.
You're getting brave.
I had to, because the one thing that I also realized, Oguti, I'm the one with the vision. I'm the one with the dream. I know exactly where I would like to be. And now I am understanding the power of me owning my label and releasing the music so that people can understand. Which sometimes, our record labels, they tell you what is out there. And I'm not trying to follow the trends. I'm trying to be myself because I understand, I'm not a fly-by-night artist. I still want to be here for the next 50 years to come. And it starts now. It starts in me believing in myself and saying that I'm going to stand on my own, I'm going to find my own work, and I'll make sure that I represent myself well everywhere I go. Because I know I am one of those special kids.
Okay, you sing beautifully, but when you start talking, I pay too much attention. I'm thinking... No, she did say she does motivational speaking as well. So I can see that, because there was something, I'm getting moved by even her talking.
Because that's another way. That's why I chose the motivational speaking. It's because I can than me doing my music, telling my story, and then now making sure what ungizwa even better when I explain myself. I'm 35 years old, I've got 3 kids. Once you believe in yourself that much, they will not understand you even better.
One more song.
Yes.
Yeah, just one more.
Chokwadi.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Chokwadi, Bagwetu, this is another way. Chokwadi is one of the nicest songs. It's done in Shona. So I hope you enjoy it so much. Yes, my mama. I miss Katie. So Chokwadi is one of my favorite songs. It's done in Shona. And really, we're just talking about everything that life is. Oguti, sinenkinga ukuthi the way that we are, abantu abathanda ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi this is it. There is so much into a person once you get to know them. So not everything is about what is the exterior look like or it sounds like. It's all about the inside. You need to get to know the person. You need to understand the person. You need to listen to the person. Thank you so much, Chokwadi. You guys.
lady came here with just a keyboard and her voice. And that's what she delivered. Please, never underestimate Thembisile Ntaga. She will deliver for you. Ladies and gentlemen, Thembisile Ntaga, she delivers. Powerful South African voice. True love the album. Appreciate it. Where can people find you? What are you up to?
Right now, I'm starting over again. I'm going from radio station to radio station. Please find me on my social media page. It is Thembisile Ntaga on Instagram. On Twitter, it is Thembisile Ntaga. On Facebook, it is Thembisile Ntaga. Please, let's just close this year on a high level in understanding the good talent, the good music needs to come back. Thank you so much.
Yeah. You don't need to ask. South Africa, she needs to be celebrated. The great Thembisile Ntaga, Jewel of the album, it's out there. Yeah. Man, we were really honored to have you. Thank you for waking up so early to come bless us with your talents.
Such a pleasure.
Thank you. Yeah, there she is.